Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and welcome back to my channel. I know I am like super late on this bandwagon, but I am going to do a chatty like power of makeup video. I know Nikki Tutorials probably uploaded it like over 2 years ago when she did like half of her face with makeup, half of her face without makeup, just to show like what a transformation you can achieve by using just like everyday makeup that you might have. And I wanted to make this like a chatty video because I don't know, it's just been a while before I like sat down and really talked to you guys, and I also want to announce a giveaway and just keep on watching if you're interested in any part of that. Okay, for one, I'm being super ratchet right now. Like my beauty blender is super dirty. I am like missing a nail. It is just, it's one of those weeks, you guys. And first, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you because, so beginning of 2018, for the first like week or two, I did a giveaway on my channel, and it was to celebrate 300 subscribers, celebrating like, you know, just kind of getting somewhere with YouTube in my opinion. And so during this giveaway, I may or may not have promised certain people or mentioned that I was going to do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I also mentioned that I was going to try to do an international giveaway because I know my last one was not open internationally and a lot of people like couldn't enter, and so I do feel kind of bad about that because I know you guys are from everywhere and like I value all of you equally. Like when you watch my videos, that just means so much to me. So admittedly, when I was like, oh yeah, like I'll do another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, I thought like I bought myself like 8 months to a year before I had to do another giveaway because it took me, sorry, I can't talk when I'm like doing my eyebrows, but it took me March through December. It took me like 9 months to get 300 subscribers, and I was just like so thankful that like something became of my channel, and that was really awesome. And I was like, okay, so I might be able to get, you know, 700 subscribers between January, you know, the whole 2018. So little did I know that you guys were gonna be so super awesome and super supportive, and I was going to hit 1,000 subscribers like within the first 3 months. Like the first 3 months, you guys, I can't believe it. You guys are so awesome, so supportive, and I really do read every single comment that you guys leave me. I try to take time to respond to all of you because you do all mean so much to me. And the fact that like you guys are here, you're subscribed to my channel, you're watching my videos, like I feel like, you know, that's just a really good feeling, and I want to like thank you guys so much for that. Like legit, when I first started YouTube, it was really just a hobby. I mean, it is still a hobby, but I definitely am taking it more seriously now because of all of the interaction that I'm having with you guys. Like, I make videos because I think it's fun. I think it's my like creative outlet. I personally don't wear makeup on a daily basis. Like, people that know me in real life know that I go to work with zero makeup on. Like, if I remember to put on sunscreen, that is a good day for me. And so I do like doing my makeup. I just can't handle doing it on a daily basis. I'm just not that motivated, and I would just rather sleep some more rather than, you know, spending time doing my makeup. And that's not against anybody that does. Like, if you get up early and do your makeup, like, kudos to you. I don't know how you do it, and that is absolutely amazing to me, and I will never, I don't think I'll ever be able to do that. But I was really interested in makeup, and because I model, it was just really easier if I just like learned how to do my own makeup instead of like relying on makeup artists all the time. And so that's kind of like how this came to be, you know, like my channel and all of that. And I am so amazed at how it has grown, and I have like built relationships with a lot of you, and yeah, I could just rave forever about how amazing you guys are. Really like know what to say. You guys have totally blown this out of the water. I'm gonna try not to promise another giveaway at a certain number because I don't know what's going to happen. And yeah, so I guess I should like take this time now to pause and show you guys the prize packs. To be honest, I just don't have the money to be shipping something overseas, and like all of this stuff that I'm putting together is with my own money, and so I want to do some domestic giveaways, but then also for international, I want to give a $10 gift card to Ulta, Sephora, or Amazon. Like the winner can pick depending on like what you have in your country. But I plan to do one winner for international, and then like however many prize packs I'm showing here for within the US. And all of the rules are listed down below in the description box, but basically all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, which I hope you all already are. Leave me a comment with like what country you're in. That way like I know which like giveaway you're entering for. But also, I'm also curious, if you had to pick between candy and chocolate for the rest of your life, which would it be and why? Because I love both of those things and I don't think I could live without either of them. And so yeah, I'm curious as to what your favorite candies are, your favorite chocolates, which you can't live without, etc. I think that would be a fun, you know, way for us to just chat about, you know, my favorite thing, which is food. And yeah, let me know if you guys would want to see more chatty videos. I know that for me, like I like to plan out what I'm filming, because if I just get onto the camera and just like start randomly talking, I'm afraid that I'm gonna like run out of things to say, or I'm just going to like be totally lost. And so I'm still learning how to do these like get ready with me type videos. So I'm sorry if I'm like really rambly, but this is like a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but I do want to make more of an effort just like chatting with you guys instead of just like only showing you guys makeup tutorials. Okay, that was like a little extra, so I'm gonna have to go back with that darker color here. Yeah, let me know like what kind of videos you guys want to see from me, because I know I still owe people videos that they've requested, and I apologize for being so delinquent. I know I owe somebody like an eyebrow tutorial, which I like this eyebrow, which is why I chose to do this side, and I don't really like this side, and so yeah, one day that will come definitely. But if you guys have certain things you want to see from me, like please feel free to drop it below, because I can always use more ideas. So I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my eyelashes real quick off camera, because I can hardly do these things on my own and I'm really focusing. So if I have to chat about things and try to put eyeliner on, it just is not gonna work. So yeah, I apologize for that. I will have to get better at that. So I went a little bit like dramatic with my eye look, because I wanted to, you know, make sure there was like a good contrast between like my made up side, like my side with makeup, and also like my side that I'm not wearing anything. I just feel like with makeup there's a lot of people that are like, oh well, you don't need makeup, like you're prettier that way, or you know, like why are you like lying to men and like putting on so much makeup. But honestly, for me, it's just like a form of art, and if your man is gonna think that you were born with purple and pink glitter eyelids, like that's really on him, you know? And for me, like I do this for myself. Like there are days when my husband and I go out and I am totally like at 100 with all this makeup on. There are times where we go out and I am like literally in sweatpants and my hair is up and I just like don't really give a shit. So I operate both ends of that spectrum, and I just think that you should do whatever you like. And recently I feel like I'm in some of these like Facebook groups for people, you know, that want to chat about like makeup and hair, and like recently I've just been seeing a lot of people talking about how like, oh, I cut my hair and you know it was long and now it's short and my husband hates it, so like I need opinions on like which extensions they should get. And that just makes me like honestly so sad that there are people out there in these relationships that are not supportive, and I'm just so thankful that I am in a supportive relationship. Like my husband literally lets me do whatever I want. And sometimes, so I know he hates orange lipstick, and sometimes I wear it just like get a little bit of a reaction out of him, but that's just like the relationship we have. And yeah, so I don't know why I'm like talking about this now. See, I'm just like rambling now. I told you I would. But yeah, I feel like makeup is just a way of self-expression. I mean, it's just like, you know, you get up every day and you decide what shirt and what pants you want to put on or whatever, you know, you decide what clothes you want to wear, and like you should get to decide like how, you know, you look in your entirety. So like your hair, your makeup, and I feel like you should do those things to make you happy. And as long as you're not, like honestly, as long as you're not hurting anyone, like what's the big deal? So I'm not gonna be able to like talk and do my lips at the same time here, so give me a hot second. So yeah, I think that completes like my power of makeup dealio. I know I probably rambled quite a bit. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I hope you guys enter my giveaway. I just thank you guys so much for your support. Like, it's just absolutely amazing to me, and I'm so thankful, and I love you guys all so much, and you guys inspire me to get better at makeup every day. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, official rules and details are down in the description box. And I hope you stick around, and don't forget to subscribe before you go because it's part of the entry requirements. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!